Welcome back, my fellow hackers. And if you're new here today, hi. Thanks for stopping by and joining us. What I have going on for us today are 4 different hacks, all for the kitchen and everything we need to know. 2 of them are things that I do on a normal basis when needed, and 2 of them I've not tried out. So this is going to be definitely a couple of hacks that you can use in your own life, in your own kitchen. And then 2 maybe hacks, but I guess we'll have to wait until the end to find out. So if you're ready to find out what I have in store for you today, all right, let's go. Okay, for this first hack we have is you take a cookie sheet and you put tin foil on it, and then you put a cooling sheet, and you stick it on like that. That way, if you are making hamburgers, the grease drains right into the tin foil. Also, the natural heat from the hamburger will let your cheese melt nicely, better than on the stove, I think. That's my opinion. If you think differently, let me know. I love to hear your opinion. But I also use it for chicken. I'll put the chicken on top and let it bake through. And that way anything that drips will go on the tin foil. Because who wants a lot of dishes after they just cooked a big meal? Nobody. So after you're done, you have this to wash. No biggie. But then you can take the tin foil off and throw it away. Put the sheet away and you're done. So that's one of my favorite hacks that I use whenever I am cooking anything greasy or, baking anything. Now my second hack I have for you that I use is for bread. Sometimes you don't always have the tie, especially at the end of the loaf. So you just wind it up like that. You pull it up like that, and you have yourself a nice sealed up bag for your bread. I use this when I don't have my tie handy, or sometimes when you first open a loaf you lose your tie. So this is a good way to keep it together and keep it sealed. This next hack that I have for you, I been seeing it around and just thought it might be a fun little one to do. What we do is we have a block of cheese. Oh no, oh my gosh, where have all the knives gone? We don't have anything at all to cut this cheese with. This is why I think it's a funny hack to do, because you're always going to have something to cut this cheese with, and you're always going to be able to break it apart if you want to. But this is a fun one, and that's why I picked it to do today. So what do? We don't have a knife. We don't have anything to cut the cheese. I know I have some dental floss that we're going to use. Will it work? I don't know. Let's try it and find out. So I'll take a strip of dental floss and take our cheese. And even if it does work, that's cool. And then we just cut into it. Look at that. We have something to cut the cheese with. So if you're ever finding yourself out of a knife, out of something to cut the cheese, and you have dental floss, well, look at this. Now you have 2 halves. Wasn't that a fun one to do? Another one that I keep seeing is where you take an orange and you peel it with a spoon. Now, I love oranges. I hate peeling them though. I don't find it fun at all to peel an orange. So today we're going to try to see if we can start peeling this orange with this spoon, and if it works, I'm going to eat more oranges. Alright. This actually working? This is actually working. But if you don't have nails, I guess anything's better than nothing, right? Well, I didn't go all the way around, but you can eat it like a grapefruit. So I guess it does work. It peels off. If you have a better steady hand than I do, then you might be able to get it to work better. But again, it was another fun one I wanted to try, and I hope that you all enjoyed today's video. And let me know in the comments which one you think was the best one. Which one did you guys like the best? And tell me why. And also, while you're down there, and also hit the subscribe button if you found my video informative or enjoyable, or maybe a little of both. It doesn't cost anything. It's free. Not much today is free, so go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so when my next video uploads, you'll be the first to know about it. Alright, thank you for joining me today. I hope you all have a great day.